you guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to yet another video of mine. So in today's video, as the title suggests, I'm gonna be sharing my breakfast, lunch and dinner recipe with you guys. So I got lots of DMs on Instagram saying that if you're cooking, if you're trying out some different recipes, please share it with us, please share the recipes with us. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So बहुत simple से recipes मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ. So nothing fancy. I'm just going to use the ingredients that I already have at my home, and without wasting the ingredients, of course, because we are during the lockdown period and we cannot go down more frequently. So that is the reason I'll be using very limited amount of ingredients, and I'm going to prepare different recipes from that. So I hope you guys will like it, and if you guys are trying these recipes out at your place, please do not forget to tag me in your picture. That is it, and let's just begin into the video.
So now it's the morning breakfast time, and I'll be cooking peri peri rava dosa today. So you need all these ingredients with you. I'll be adding this curd, into which I have added some coriander leaves in it, and I'll be adding this mixture to my rava and mixing them all together and making into a good consistency. After that, I'll be heating a vessel and adding oil into it and adding some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, and giving this tadka to my mixture that I have already prepared. And I'll be mixing it all together and adding some onions and tomatoes in it and mixing it well. Now I'll be heating up tawa, and on it I'll be adding some oil, and after that I'll be adding this batter into it, and I'll close the lid until it gets cooked from both the sides. And now you can see that my rava dosa has been cooked from both the sides, so it's ready to serve. For peri peri rava dosa, I'll be adding this peri peri masala on top of my batter. I'm using this Kea peri peri masala, and yeah, this is how my breakfast looks like. Now it's lunch time. For today I'll be preparing some paneer bhurji. For that I'll be heating an oil into a vessel, adding some mustard seeds and cumin seeds into it, also some hing, and after that I'll be adding some ginger garlic, crushed ginger garlic, because I love it that way, and adding some onions and tomatoes and mixing them all together. After that I'll be adding some coriander leaves as well, and I'll keep this on flame for like 5 to 7 minutes to get it cooked. For meanwhile, I'll be mashing all the paneer into the form of bhurji. And now it's time to add all the dry ingredients into it. So now I'll be adding all the dry masalas. And finally I'll be adding my paneer, which I have already mashed, into bhurji and mixing them all together. On top of it, I'll be adding some garam masala powder and close the lid to get it cooked for a while, and garnishing it with coriander leaves. I absolutely love it, and this is how my lunch looks like. Finally, it's time for dinner, and today I'll be cooking egg lababdar. For that I'll be adding all the ingredients like tomatoes, your cashews, ginger garlic, cardamom, clove into boiling hot water, and I'll cook this until my tomatoes become softer and it can be easily mashed. Now as you can see, my tomatoes are all soft. I'll put this into a grinder and grind all this into a thick paste. After that I'll be heating my pan, adding oil into it, and adding hing, some mustard seeds and cumin seeds into it, some bay leaves, and finely chopped onions. I'll mix this all together And after that, I'll be adding this paste that I have made. I'll be adding all the dry ingredients into it. And mix them all together. I'll let this masala cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'll be adding eggs into it. I have cut the eggs into half. And I'll be coating all the masala to my egg. I'll be adding water. Make sure that you add water in a proper proportion so that your gravy remains thick. Adding some coriander leaves for garnishing. And I'll be grating some eggs into it. And yeah, this is how my dinner looks like.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys like what you see, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon next to it, like this video and comment down below if you want to see more such videos on my channel. I would definitely love to do it. Till then, please keep smiling because that's the only smile that keeps you motivated all the time. Bye.